Imagine your inbox is an animal. What would it be? A giraffe? A sloth? A Patagonian cabbie? Exactly. This is how others have described their inbox.
My inbox is a pig. It's fat, greedy and getting bigger every day.
Mine is a bowerbird. It likes to collect and hoard shiny things.
A huge octopus, thrashing around and scaring the hell out of me.
Get the picture? Just like this hideous beast, email can be hard to control. Across the world, we send 182 billion emails every day. That's about 50 emails a person each day. It's no wonder our inboxes are out of control. Now imagine if you used your letterbox like your inbox. The postman delivers 2 bills, a Kmart catalogue and a letter from grandma. You flick through them, put one in your pocket, throw one away and put the rest back into the box. And you do this day after day after day. What do your neighbours think? An email inbox is simply a place to receive information. Yet many of us use it in other ways, and that's where we come unstuck. We work from our inbox and we use it as a to-do list, or a filing cabinet, or a holding bay. It's messy and it doesn't really work. We waste time as we read old emails over and over again. We procrastinate on actions, and it's far too easy to lose or forget important emails. But there's a solution. It's called Email Ninja, and through it we will show you how to manage your inbox like a master. In this series, we'll teach you the thinking, the organising and the practices you need to know to get your inbox to zero every day.